Look at this, 27 million views, 13 million, 3.9 million, and this channel, 5.4 million, 3 million, 2.5 million. This other channel, 18 million views on one video, 1.1 million, another 1 million. You get it, this is a consistent format that works. These are health-based videos, showing what happens inside your body when you eat sugar, smoke cigarettes, drink alcohol. And what caught my attention is that these videos are simple. They're all built from the same repeatable system that we will be getting into in this video. The niche is inside body AI videos, and it's relatively new. Only a handful of channels are doing this right now, which means if you start now, you're early. The core mechanic is straightforward. You show someone consuming something, then reveal the invisible consequences happening inside their body. Sugar damaging organs, cigarettes blackening lungs, alcohol affecting the liver. People are hardwired to pay attention to this because it taps into fear and curiosity about things they can't see. Now, if you hate health content or you're looking for personality-based channels, this isn't it. But if you want a scalable, faceless format, keep watching. Every high-performing channel in this niche follows the same rule: simplicity scales. The creators stuck at low views overproduce and burn time. The ones breaking past millions follow a system, and we reverse-engineered that system, turned it into prompts, and applied it across different health topics. And before we get into production, here's a short snippet of what that system created.
This is what happens inside your body when you drink a Monster energy drink. The moment it hits your mouth, caffeine, sugar, and stimulants are already on the move. In the stomach, carbonation spreads fast, mixing with acid and speeding absorption. Most of the action happens here. Your intestines pull caffeine and sugar straight into the bloodstream. Within minutes, those compounds circulate through your entire body. In the brain, caffeine blocks fatigue signals, making neurons fire faster and sharper. Blood flow increases, muscles feel more alert, and reaction time improves. Your gut reacts too. Stimulation can increase movement, sometimes faster than expected. This is the energy peak, focused, wired, and highly stimulated. But for some people, acidity and carbonation irritate the stomach lining. Sugars flood the bloodstream, forcing insulin to work overtime. If you're sensitive to stimulants, your body may feel shaky or overstimulated. And when the stimulation fades, energy drops, sometimes lower than before.
Quick note before we start. Most creators stay stuck because they keep guessing. Inside Creator OS, creators work with clarity, and when they hit a wall, they don't stay stuck. Alright, let's get into the workflow, and the first step is topic selection. The way we'll approach this is heading to the Notion where all of the needed prompts organized. Link in the description to get access to them. Then just grab the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. ChatGPT will then ask you to specify what food, drink, or product to focus on. For this example, I went with Monster energy drink because energy drinks trigger both curiosity and concern. ChatGPT will then generate a series of image prompts showing the progression. Person drinking the energy drink, caffeine entering the bloodstream, heart rate increasing, organs under stress. Now, before I start generating images, we'll turn the image prompts into an actual script optimized for shorts. And this is important for monetization. For your shorts channel to be monetizable, you need commentary. How we'll do this is simple. Go to ChatGPT and tell it to convert the image prompts into a simple commentary script. Something like, turn these image prompts into a short-form narration script that explains what's happening in each scene. ChatGPT will then generate the narration that matches each visual. Now we have both the image prompts and the script ready to go. Head to Flow AI. The direct link is inside of the Notion, and grab the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Flow's image generator. Make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16 for vertical content, and I'll be using Nano Banana Pro as the model because it handles these types of visuals well. Then just generate the base image. In my case, someone drinking a Monster energy drink. Once I have the base image, I grab the rest of the image prompts and paste them one by one under the same image to keep the visual style consistent. So, I'm generating caffeine entering the bloodstream, heart rate spiking, energy crash visualization, organ stress. Each image takes about 30 to 45 seconds to generate. I repeat this process for every scene, going back to ChatGPT, copying the prompt, pasting it into Flow underneath my base image. Alright, once all the images are generated, we'll convert them into videos using VEO3. The way this works is, we'll paste all of the generated image prompts back into ChatGPT, then head to the Notion and grab the image to video prompt. Paste that into ChatGPT so it generates the video animation prompts optimized for VEO3. Then, once your prompts are generated, head back to Flow and use the frames to video feature, since the ingredients to video doesn't work for 9:16 ratio content. Just upload the first image. You don't need a second scene, and make sure the aspect ratio is 9:16. Paste in the video prompt and generate. Takes about 2 to 3 minutes per clip. Do this for every scene, upload the image, paste the prompt, and generate. The clips come out with motion, the person drinking, caffeine flowing through veins, heart beating faster, organs reacting. Once you have all the video clips, the next thing we need to do is generate the voiceover. You can use any text-to-speech software, but I'll use 11 Labs. I'm using a voice character called Mark. Feel free to copy me if you want the same tone. This is pretty straightforward. Just paste the finalized script, remove any speaker notes or formatting ChatGPT added, then generate the voiceover. Listen to both and download the one that sounds more natural. And that leads us to the final step, which is editing everything in CapCut. This part should only take about 15 minutes once you have the workflow down. First, align the video scenes to match the voiceover, making sure what's being described is also being shown visually. Then remove the green background from the images using the chroma key feature. Select the image, scroll down to the chroma key, use the color picker, and select the green background, and adjust the strength until the scene is clean. And do this for every scene. Once the original background is removed, we'll add our own background. To do that is, go to Media, then Library, select Background, and drag any colored background to the timeline. Then, select Canvas and Color, and adjust the background color to whatever you uniquely want. Next, we'll add captions using CapCut's auto-generation feature. Go to Text, select Captions, hit Auto-Generate, and customize the caption style to match your branding. Fairly straightforward. And the last step of editing is finalizing the sound. This is optional. You can keep the clips muted or raise the volume to around -13 decibels to add subtle sound effects. And lastly is adding background music. I went for a rhythmic drumming vibe. I added a Persian-style drumming track and lowered the decibels to around -15 so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. And that's it. I gave everything a playthrough and noticed I needed to make an adjustment. Do the same, and if everything looks good, go ahead and export. You can upload these to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. So that's the full system, from topic selection to editing everything together. Although these are 60-second shorts, your first video is going to take longer than you want, possibly 4 to 5 hours if you're just learning the workflow. But by video 3 or 4, you'll have the system down and you'll be finishing videos in under an hour. This format is fully monetizable if you go about it correctly. The key is picking health topics that trigger curiosity and concern. Energy drinks, processed foods, alcohol, cigarettes. And staying consistent is the most important. The channels that blow up in this niche are successful because they are consistent. You can either lock in on this now while it's early, or watch someone else build and monetize 90 days from now. The creators inside Creator OS are getting access to what's performing in real time and adapt to it quickly. If you're tired of building in the dark and just want clarity on what to build next, that's what Creator OS is for. First link in the description or pinned comment to be a part of it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.